How can you ensure a successful and safe event execution? Performing an event organizing inspection using eAuditor offers a comprehensive evaluation of planning and safety. This video outlines how to identify risks, manage compliance, and enhance attendee experience through structured digital inspections. An event organizing inspection confirms that all arrangements are safe and compliant. The core objectives focus on health, safety, and event regulations. Identifying risks in crowd management and logistics is crucial. Verifying the readiness of vendors and infrastructure is key. Maintaining service quality and satisfaction is essential. The inspection covers documentation, permits, and compliance verification. Venue readiness involves layout planning and facility assessment. Vendor management ensures contractor coordination and quality control. Safety and security focus on crowd control and emergency preparedness. This comprehensive scope ensures all aspects are evaluated. Prepare the inspection in eAuditor with a detailed checklist. Include event details, expected attendance, and risk levels. Configure responses and capture evidence for noncompliance. Align inspections with local regulations and organizational policies. This setup ensures a thorough and standardized evaluation process. Verify event documentation, permits, and insurance coverage. Assess venue layout, seating, and entry routes. Check power supply, lighting, and backup systems. Evaluate vendor management, including approvals and safety compliance. Ensure crowd control, security, and emergency preparedness are in place. Classify findings as critical, major, or minor. Use eAuditor's system to manage corrective actions. Record issues with detailed descriptions and evidence. Assign actions to responsible teams and track progress. This process ensures issues are resolved efficiently and effectively. Conducting an event organizing inspection with eAuditor ensures events are safe and compliant. Standardized checklists and real-time evidence capture reduce risks. You now have the tools to improve coordination and support successful event delivery.